face of their face. So anyway, bakit nga ba si live for Beauty Milk Bella? So as you all know, all of our influencers and KOLs and celebrities, they drink and they use beauty milk. So bakit nga ba sila umiinom ng beauty milk? And why this product is very hype online and offline? So beauty milk melon is actually a refreshing drink, and it's a beauty drink in one. As we always say, this is developed because we want a skincare in the drink. And this was developed during the pandemic, where everyone they don't want to have a skincare, they don't want to apply so much skincare, and we develop it because people get so lazy, they want to drink the skincare. So that's why we came up with Beauty Milk Melon. And actually, yung kwento lang ni Andrea later, but magpapahagi na po. But si Blythe kasi before, she's friends with Bea and all the girls, and they said na no, Andrea is drinking beauty milk, and I was very surprised. No, bakit siya inom ng beauty milk? So that makes sense, and that was the reason why we tapped Andrea, because she is actually drinking beauty milk. And it's over a year already, or 2 years na siyang umiinom, and until now,